Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1981 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. Spectacular manganese brown over Palomino interior, 24,000 miles from new. Hop on in, do a little cold start, take it for a ride. Okay, so here we are in our Mercedes 380 SL. A little chilly out today, so we have the top up. We'll do a little cold start here for you. Fuel injected, so don't have to touch the gas. Key on. Fires right up. Oil pressure's up. We got gas. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. Okay, so we have a little temperature in our 380 SL. Again, beautiful manganese brown over Palomino interior, Palomino carpeting. 24,000 original miles. Upgraded with a wooden steering wheel, beautiful Nardi wood wheel, shift knob, AC, Becker radio. A great little car. Drives well, feels good. Even though it's cold out, top's pretty well insulated, so it's not so cold in here. Brakes feel good. Mercedes horn, as you'd expect. It's got cruise control, power locks. It's a US spec car. Shifts fine, good power, good oil pressure. Really responds well. Really great entry into an SL. If you wanted an SL, a great value for money here. Okay, here we are for the S's. Good pickup from a stop. Pulls very well for that little V8 there. Nice automatic transmission. Really feels good. Power windows. Very well optioned little car. Look at that. It's like magic. I'm not using my hands. We'll come up here and we will do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. Really is a nice little car. Again, 380 SL, manganese brown over Palomino. We have a bunch of service records with this car. Happy to share with anybody. Up here to the farm road and we'll open her up a little bit. All right, here we are on the farm road. Got the green light. Nice kick down there. Pull it through the gears. Really nice shifting car. Great little cruiser. 380 SLs, very undervalued. Great value for money. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe, comment if you'd want to. You can comment below, and we will catch you on the next one.